Hi, today I want to talk about uh, Gemini Nano model in Chrome Canary browser, um, and I'll share one or two tricks that the Chrome team showed me and the people near the web booth in Google I/O Connect China in mid-August. So when I knew about the secret tab, uh, it was a mind-blowing experience, and it could be new to people who are not familiar with Chrome AI or Web AI. So I hope people find this topic interesting and will sign up the DPP of Chrome AI later. So I like to open two tabs when I want to check about the AI model and the translate kit. So one of the tabs is Chrome://components. So I like to um, find out the version of the AI model that is on this Chrome Canary browser. The version is 2025.8.8.1141. So the Gemini Nano model was last updated at August 8, 2025, and the status is up to date. If the status is not up to date, um, we can click the check for update button to download the latest AI model for prompting, writing, rewriting, and summarization. And the other thing that I like to check on this page is translate kit here. So Chrome Translate Kit was updated at July 15, 2025. Uh, Chrome doesn't use the Gemini Nano model to perform translation. The browser uses the internal language packages to translate from English to other languages. So you can type Chrome:// undefined translation internal to find these language packages. So English to Spanish is installed, English to Japanese is installed. I also installed English to Russian, English. I don't remember the language code. I don't know what this language code means. I forgot. So English to Russian, EN to HR, and EN -RO. I also don't remember what country uses the language code RO. But you get the point, right? You can come to here to find out what language packages are available in this browser. If you build a translation app that wants to translate from English to maybe Korean, and this language package is not installed in the Chrome, then the language API of Chrome AI is intelligent enough to download the language package through the browser first, and then the browser uses it to perform translation. Chrome:// on device internal is my favorite tab. It contains a lot of information. For example, the status of the model, the name of the model, 3 Nano. This model is based on Gemini 3N. The version of the model, 2025-06301229. The location of the model, so you see this long path on my Mac machine. So far, the model hasn't crashed today, which is a good news. The APIs that I have enabled and used recently, like Chrome API, Summarization API, Proofreader API, Writing Assistant API, I believe is related to the Writer API and the Rewriter API of the Chrome AI. Optimization target language detection is ready. Optimization target text safety is not ready. I have no idea what these feature flags are, but I'm happy to find out they exist. So on Tools tab, we can load a custom model for testing. I don't have any custom model, so I click load default to load the internal, to load the Gemini Nano model that is in the browser. So, okay. So the Gemini Nano model support text input, images, and audio. The top K is between 1 and 128. So let's type 20. Temperature is between 0 and 2. So let's type 1. And I can type questions to ask the model to answer. So what are the job responsibility of an AI architect? So what are the skills required to become one? Please answer in Markdown. Please answer in Markdown format and maximum 1,000 words. So press execute and wait for the answer to appear here. It's really long. Wow. Okay. Soft skills. Okay. So let me ask another question. What are the job responsibility of fireman? And I can click the cancel button to abort to stop the LLM to answer the questions. So I click cancel and the answer stops almost instantly. And I can also click add image to upload a photo, right? And ask questions about the image. So describe the building and the uploaded image. Hi. Oops, here. Oh, I love the answer. Yeah, it is in Hong Kong, like central Hong Kong, and HSBC logo. Okay. Can you tell me the history of the building? Honestly, I don't know the history of the of this building. Okay, so it makes sense. So it was constructed between 1985 and 1986. Okay, let's see. So can you provide the I don't know branches? Can I say that? Can you provide? Okay, let's see. So what is the material of the exterior window? Windows? Made of glass. Okay. So what I'm saying is like if you want to use Gemini Nano to try out something and you are too busy to write an app or to I don't know write a collab to test it, you can come to this page and try out the behavior of the Chrome API. I want to show my prompt demo that uses the Gemini Nano model to generate text for my user prompt. This model is based on Gemini 3N, it has 9,216 tokens, which is not a lot when comparing with Gemini or Gemma in Vertex AI or in AI Studio. Like in AI Studio, the context window of Gemini 2.5 is 1 million tokens. But it was, but it is a big upgrade from before. Like before, the number of like tokens, right, was what 6,614 tokens. And before the max top K was 8, now it is 128. So I can type a higher top K such as 20. So when working with on-device model as small as Gemini Nano, we may have to worry about cases such as running out of token. Like if you look at my demo, I asked Gemini Nano like some questions before, and the number of tokens left is 364 like tokens. So if I ask another question and click submit, the generated answer may need more than 364 tokens. So what will happen? Like will my app like crash? Well, it depends. Like Gemini Nano would try its best to delete all messages in the context to free up token, so that the number of token that is left is greater than 364. So on my lucky day, the number of token that is left may be enough to generate the next answer. Then I see the next answer, and the app continues to run. So on my unlucky day, the number of token that is left is not enough to generate the next answer. Then my app, I don't know, either crashes or catches the error and display the error like somewhere like below, like here. Um, I don't know. I have never tried this edge case before, so let's live dangerously. Let's ask a different question. Like, tell me about the job responsibility and compensation of a Google Cloud architect. I'm currently a software architect, so what are the skills needed to be ready for this role? Where can I find online resources to prepare for this role? Maximum 3,000 words. So let's click the submit button and cross our fingers. Wait, it's running. Okay. I'm not so sure about the currency. I hope it is US dollar, and it might be missing some zeros. I don't know. So let me check the answer. So cloud strategy development, solution design, cloud deployment, wow, cloud security and compliance, cost optimization. Oh my god. Okay, certification. Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Architect. Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Developer. Google Cloud Certified Professional Machine Learning Engineer. Terraform certification. Online training and learning resources. Yes, Google Cloud Skill Boost, formerly known as Quick Labs. Coursera, edX, and Udemy and a cloud guru. And okay, so the app is still running. And okay, all messages were deleted from the context successfully. Um, after generating this answer, uh, I still have 1,470 tokens left. Maybe I can ask another question. Okay, and let's click submit. Oh, it's not running. Why is that? Okay. Good. Nice. Okay. Mental. Okay. Yep. So this is what I want to show, and I think this behavior is applicable to all Gemini like models, like purging old messages from the context to free up tokens to be used by the LLM to generate a new answer. But it's easier to demonstrate with a smaller model than a Gemini model that has 1 million tokens. So I'm going to stop. I want to demonstrate the above button of this demo. So I can type a different prompt and press submit and wait for the streamed response. If I want the LLM to stop sending the streamed response to the client side, I can click the above button and the process ends immediately. The streaming ends immediately. And then I can type another question like, what are the job responsibility of a maybe football player, and resubmit. And click the above button again to stop. And this time I ask for the job responsibilities of a lawyer and wait for the LLM to send the entire answer to the client, and the Chrome Canary browser should display it in its entirety. So the number of prompt tokens is 18. The number of completed tokens is 945, and I'm able to show that I can implement the cancel behavior. I can use the above button to cancel LLM request to stop streaming and multiple times, and eventually I can allow the LLM to send the stream response to the client, and the browser can display the answer to create a typewriter effect. So in this Angular surface, I have a controller that is an instance of an abort controller, and then in the prompt method, in the option of session.promptStreaming, the signal is assigned the signal of this dot controller. So signal has an abort controller. So when the abort button is clicked, this stop prompting method is evoked. So controller.abort stop the LLM from sending the answer back to the browser. And then on line 124, I instantiate an abort controller and assign it to a desktop controller. So in the next LLM call, this signal property in the option receive a new abort signal. So when I click the the abort button, again, the LLM is able to abort and not streaming the response to the browser. So in my component, let me think, is it this one? Prompt response. This one. So when the abort button is clicked, this method is called and emit an abort prompt event. So the parent component of this component is a zero prompt component. Right. So this is the custom event abort prompt, and it's called the stop prompting method of the service. Yeah, tada, this one. So abort the controller. So the answer, stop. Nothing, right? Create a new abort controller for the next abort request that the LLM may receive from my application. So this is what I want to show about the Gemini Nano model in the browser. Those those hidden pages that you need to explicitly type on the address bar in order to open, to, I don't know, see the language packages, the version of the components, and use the tools on device internal to, prompt the LLM to answer question, to prompt the LLM to answer question about the uploaded image, and it is also possible to mimic the cancel behavior and the prompting behavior in an app by I don't know, instantiating an abort controller, right? And then this controller signal provide an abort signal that I can assign to the signal property of the option, so that streaming can be stopped when I click the abort button on my demo. So this is what I want to show today, and I hope you enjoy it and sign up the EPP. But I forgot to tell you where the EPP can be signed up. So go to chrome.ai, go to chrome.ai, and join the EPP. Yep, the Google form, and you can do the rest. So enjoy, goodbye, and see you next time.